If you're doing a front end swap of your own, Moto makes it super simple. You just input your make and model of your bike and the make and model of the front end you're swapping to. You can get the conversion kit. So you'll need a new steering stem, a new top triple clamp, the bearings, and then the nut as well. So this is episode 1 of the Honda CM450 Café Racer build. We're going to be swapping the front end from a YZF R6 onto this Honda CM450. It's going to be a huge suspension and brake upgrade. I'm super excited about it. So stay tuned. So now I'm removing everything off the R6 front end so that I can remove the steering stem from the lower triple clamp. I didn't have my own hydraulic press, so I went to my dad's. Here's some footage of me doing it. Now we're back in the garage putting on the spacer and the bearing on this new stem. No like real technique to this. You just want to make sure you're pressing the grease into the bearing. So now we need to press this bearing down all the way onto the stem so it's flush here. You want to put the seal on before the bearing, so I got to fix that. Spacer, seal, facing up, now bearing. Maybe this is a bad idea, you can let me know in the comments, but I don't have anything to go over the stem to hammer down the bearing, so this is how we're doing it. I'm waiting on the spanners to get here, but I just want to see what this looks like. The spanners are the nuts that go on here underneath the top triple clamp. Alright, that's going to do it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, get some merch, there's a link in the description. And we're doing a GoPro 9 giveaway. It's free, all you have to do is be subscribed. Details are in the description as well. Stay tuned for next episode. We're going to keep just plugging away on this next Cafe Racer project. I'm super excited about it. Another great way to support the channel is if you become a channel member, you get all sorts of perks with that. All you have to do is just click the join button. If you're new here, you've missed any of my episodes, I'll put my last 2 build playlists up on the screen. Check them out, I'm super proud of those builds. And then lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you guys. Cheers.